Let's talk about women's doubles. Pearl and Thinna will be against Bao and Zhang from China. If you don't know who is Zhang, she was partnered with Jia, as I discussed in my every video that Jia and Zhang are coming back. Jia and Zhang are coming back. This is the same Zhang. She is partnering up with Bao. I am telling you, but Jia and Zhang are coming back in 1 or 2 months or even in next year. I still think that Jia and Zhang are way better pair right now. Okay, I will not say that Chen and Jia are not good player, but right now Jia and Zhang were better players. But talking about this particular match, Pearl and Thinna defeated HSU and Lin in third set, and Bao Zhang defeated Hara and Kayose from Japan in straight 2 set. This match should not be, I will say that, tough for Pearl and Thinna. They should defeat this Chinese pair. But talking about discussing about Zhang, she is having experience when she was partnering up with Chia. She is having experience. She can perform too. But that combination, like Chia and Zhang, that combination was the best when they defeated Pearl and Thinna in straight 2 set. But can Zhang do the same thing by partnering up with another pair? I highly doubt. Pearl and Thinna must be looking forward for a win here in straight 2 set. I am not seeing a third set. I have watched Bao and Zhang performing. Look, Zhang is trying her best to perform here, but Bao, she is not able to fill the boots of, I will say that, Jia. Of course, we all know how good Jia is. She is Olympic gold medalist, and filling up that boots are way tougher. But Zhang proved that she can do that. Zhang did fill the boots of Chen. We all know Chen King, how she was great player in 2024. But when they, I will say that, split up, Zhang filled that boot and performed crazy good badminton with Jia. But can Bao do that? I highly doubt. She is not able to go at that level of Zhang. How much good Zhang is, I will say that only Zhang. It is a women's doubles. We all know it is a women's doubles, and there are two players, so both needs to perform. Like Pearl and Thinna, as combined, they are way better. So the same thing goes with Zhang and Bao. Zhang is way better. But talking about Bao, I don't think that she is at Zhang's level, but still, let's just hope for a good match. I'm not even expecting a third set in this match. Pearl and Thinna needs to win this match in straight 2 sets.